Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, one simple fix Windows 11 laptop overheating problem. First method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Change minimum processor state is 5% and maximum processor state is 90%. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Select key descripted in video description. Select key descripted in video description. Open attributes, change value data to 2. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.